everyone, it's Jen. Welcome back to Yarn Purpose. I'm back today with another video. Today I'm going to unbox and give away the August Artisan KnitCrate. Hey everyone, it's Jen. Welcome back. I'm very excited about today's video. It's my first giveaway here on YouTube, and it's for the August Artisan KnitCrate. If you're not familiar with what KnitCrate is, it's a subscription service. There's, tons of those different types of subscription service boxes out there for all different kinds of things, not just knitting. So this is a box that you can get sent to you once a month that has patterns and goodies in it. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to give it away. So I have my trusty scissors here. I know what's in here because actually I was the designer for the patterns for this month. So here we go. And here it is all packaged up. Very cute. So it comes with a little pamphlet here. This says Indigo Glow Artisan KnitCrate August 2018. And let's see what's inside. So inside are some information about the yarn dyer, which is Dragonfly Fibers, and then some information about the designer, which is me, which that's super cool. And then also, and I believe that this is new for the KnitCrate now, is actually there are the actual printed pattern now is included in this little pamphlet. And you can see me covering some things up here. It is because actually there is a download code, so if you want to download the pattern, you can do that as well. So that's very cool that it comes with the actual pattern instructions in there. So then again here, just to show you, so there's two patterns in there. Again, this was my KnitCrate that I designed the patterns for. So this is a cowl here. It's called Chain Reaction. It's considered a beginner pattern. And then this here is Be the Change, which is a shawl. So very, very cool. So you've got your pamphlet with the patterns, and then let's get to the good stuff. What we actually care about, right, is the yarn. Oh. And I did knit my samples, so I already have seen the yarn and used it, and oh, it's gorgeous. The colorway is Metamorphosis, and so in the Artisan KnitCrate, what you get every month is 2 skeins of an artisan dyed yarn by an indie dyer. So this one's again Dragonfly Fibers. This is on their Pixie base, which is 430 yards for a 4-ounce skein. It is 100% superwash merino, and it's a lovely, lovely single ply. I loved knitting with this yarn. I know whoever wins it is gonna love it. It's these beautiful colors. So for the patterns, the cowl just uses 1 skein, and then the shawl will use 2. However, I didn't use 2 full skeins on the shawl. I actually knit the shawl and the smaller version of the cowl with the 2 skeins. So actually this month you can knit both projects with your 2 skeins. So that's super exciting. The other thing that the Artisan KnitCrate comes with is it always has an extra. And this month it is this reusable bag that says KnitCrate. So that's really cute too. Definitely could use it for yarn, for grocery shopping, whatever you want. So very excited about this KnitCrate box. They were wonderful to work with if you're a designer and they contact you. I had nothing but a good experience working with them. And it was so nice of them to send me a Artisan KnitCrate to give away to one of you. So there you go. I've put it all back in the box, so I'll be shipping that off to one lucky winner. So how do you win the KnitCrate? Basically, this is going to be keeping it simple. Just, you need to make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel here, Yarn Purpose. There's a subscribe button down below. And then also leave a comment down below just letting me know what your favorite sort of knit accessory to make is. Do you love shawls? Do you love cowls? Just subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite accessory to make is, and also be sure to leave your Ravelry name or some way for me to contact you should you win. So I'm going to leave this open for about a week, and then I will announce the winner on my coffee catch-up next week. So that's it for me for today. I hope you like this video. I'm really excited to have a giveaway for all of you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below to enter to win the KnitCrate. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!